Enti eye Moses ene ka kire Israel for in Exodus 14:14 say Israel for munye kom maubu toyem na Awurade be kwama mo. There was now no eye Avraham Ben Moshe ene Ghana for no ene ka kire Yeboah Agyekum Francis Yeboah ye di enkasa bebre ne wa ha ye be kokun nyina ma oh ye be kokun na ma efa na nsem attack bi a na donko ata onuaba na owo US na oye nurse no ani di edi twumwa ata entry on some doctors be any nurses be ebe so TikTok live ebe ge kanadwe kire Yeboah Agyekum Francis no Avraham Ben Moshe ene Ghana for no aba in rescue of Yeboah Agyekum Francis na omo abebo counter defense then some omo ka kire na donko ata onuaba no ese woni enise ka kire aha ipenya block me best wa say ni mo obe like if you are my bros club at some click verification confidence update aba kire wa adwela mama e wo commentation oba so a na che for enya bia hwe ne me kan phone na money send app ena dia ma o USA o UK open send ka ediko fie na for say o ya me fan na de bia hwe meeting no o mo dwene ho using promo code PENYAH TV send ka ediko fie na o mo ncha $20 for free e ya na ranko 26 we no o send ka ediko fie no na yes e chewska na lanko a ene yes adwuma. Now let's go to the story. It was week ya ekwewe ana Yeboah Agyekum Francis or the video be buy ana o man kire about high blood pressure anyhow obi say some concussion bi body no aye ne hunu nyina je say body aye nwa aye ne hunu nyina green nyina e wo horo kire say o fa no wa horo ho no retwa no in rounds so say in rings now if you want akofa watermelon you watermelon inside nyina free mu eyi white free mu e kire den no na no so wash na watwitwa in pieces together with body no na one no ni nyina bom na efe ensuo no solution no wi a solution na benya no na ono nom ne kakra sa kakra so oya sa na ebe boaw ama high blood pressure no ebe reduce ne mebi o system no ma ebe teso but o pressure no ebe confirm e ma say order this injection e buy na sa injection no de buy no eno ana donko ata onua baabi eye nurse ni e wo USA aye frɛ no Miss Twumwa ata entry edin do TikTok ne so ada say holistic nurse and I say MJ Rock my word edin or they what TikTok and so also organizing some nurses be some doctors be according to her they say neurosurgeons nyina wo mu any neurologists nyina wo mu bi omo be ye TikTok live na ho no ana donko ata onua be no ebobo na adwen e kire Yeboah Agyekum Francis
so what pressure hydrosa for wedro na sanye wake on Agyekum Francis. Do you know that most people on blood pressure medication are on diuretic? Do you know what diuretic does? Diuretic wastes fluid from your body. Into who catch obia ebia who categorizing no one categorizing who generalizing no who say who pressure who emboja broswa for wedro one can say who anti-diuretic. So see, that is the problem because you don't practice, so you don't know. You do not practice, so you don't know. So a pressure drone, you can go and read about the pathophysiology, but to diagnose and treat, you have to be really. It's crazy. You guys should say talk because make Asem and you say.
And you know, say there are so many arrhythmias. As a one share, you taking potassium in these drinks can cause excess amount of potassium in your blood.
Cardiac
And then
arrest.
it can cause cardiac arrest, you kind of say atrial fibrillation, and all these dangerous arrhythmias, which can kill you instantaneously. Because Ghana, they won't even recognize that this is what you're dealing with, and then seek medical attention right away. So this is very dangerous, in all honesty.
Bridget, you were saying
answer like all you know the reason why like all yes the way no and say mechanic straight like meant to say Ghana no and go for no we like into like osteopathic homeopathic right ebi mu was kakra chain and like normal you for no.
of course, because
because they have money. Because Ghana no, obi betina TV so met me to diabetes, met me to hypertension, and then oba no mama walk around the labs, no matter say drama. They do have money. And you say Ebimu was they have money. They
Now,
have
Dr. Edo, can't you
money.
see they are the ones sponsoring all the programs, the shows
Yeah,
and
yeah.
everything
They have
in Ghana.
money.
Esa beka sa ai de ebo a ehye no eye Ghana fo musika nti eye musika na wo pe na enye mo nkwa na wo dwene mo ho enti munya careful with him enye sa mudi na chi a you will endanger your health.
Yeah, or no better than I catch you say Fazetta. He has been corrupt. At this point, Yeboah Agyekum is looking for money than your health. I'm telling you point blank. He is looking for money more than your health.
Emma sans me kra no Yeboah edin kan be reply with a video but ade a chi ye ana Yeboah say ko hu video na girl be ka say eye sika ana Yeboah e pe no Yeboah say hu ye na say share no etu ni say kono say be another video esa be chere say be blast girl no
Yeboah Agyekum is looking for money than your health. I'm telling you point blank.
Sister, first one, me ba na groom, nti asa one tekasa. Sa sika na wakwa jino, fa sika no ko. Fa usika na wakwa jino, fa ko. Na nyesa fa usika na waji obi ho so wo be say Yeboah no, eye wrong money na wakwa jino. Upo obi aka se opisika organa for ho a, wo de Yeboah na be example. Obi amatena kruma, a biomedical scientist, a maybe baba, a military. Ayitiri actually Ghana for over 500 for a day. What's a group made my daddy actually my dear manji obia 1 CD. And then yam coupon who may ye me ye. Into me video Ghana 40 a seer almost saw me so. Member life for that. With me dini ni pebo me dini na me ba life and crofo eager to give me money. What was about life? Me TikTok now me using a Ghanaian TikTok. Who use foreign TikTok? Who you were into TikTok now on sika also. Or life a you get money for the coins. One say me about life. O page ya o ti ya na o de try health we no. Sebi na we say Ghana for agreement na o try kotie na etwe for sika for views. And then nyame de obi aba was sanitize system no into wani bre no. Wani brade ukuna ya ade papa. Wani brade ukuna ya ade. First one na I thought say bia na wano na apem but inni one man say wani ebre Yeboah. The Yeboah ye no attention na ye was no aba form. Kotie na etwen Ghana for ani ate nti wo man attention bi obi ehwe na didie ye nipa wa ma osika moni magu ase moni mo contractors moni na moni magu ase ukuna ya de pa so ogusu no wote na Ghana for beti maku ahye wani me ka kire wo ne I'm serious Ghana for beti maku ahye wo wani me niema me ton a eni sina menya kakra no besi nne eno na megusu ton hwehwe mero kumase ne nkan me video bia me ka se me niema me ton eno na megusu ton nne mini heba hospital adi bia ni wa machiro bia me so onfa sika mbre me na me nyema no ohun Ghana for ne yani ate nipa nim omo ka asema yiti odi obedwen se omo nim de woka omo so page ni so kwampo omo fanfoli me na me ka kire omo nim se de woka fa boy no ho enye no kre na obi anyame ama no so no nyame ne nsa so sen wo obi anyame ama no so no o try a bafom.
Now you know it's so interesting girl no answer na obeka Yeboah Agyekum Francis Asem no na okwa TikToker ni followers 848,200 edi pa na e follow no but after say obeka dan sem no obedi dan komo no efa Yeboah Agyekum Francis no busia attack Abraham media no so as I speak to you now no ni followers on TikTok a movie from 848,200 no about better 839,300 now say in the scope of 2 days no enipa 9,000 I won't follow no just say wa beka Yeboah Agyekum Francis Asem ajenkwa ba kwa nya ne Ghana ha o beka na asem maami we o beka na asem o bi hwe ehe ne ha wo ye no wie enipa 9,000 have unfollowed her between just 2 days. In just 2 days enipa 9,000 plus I unfollow no na so ha eno ana comedian no so a Avraham Ben Moshe and some of the Ghanaians ni be mti there bi ade amoye so obi a pillars of so bo Ghana fa na mo twa no so ye ntwe e ma mo ntwe Yeboah Agyekum Francis so enti wani nsem Avraham abeka kire gay
Agyekum Francis oba ye kura kasa kura ye ne de Agyekum Francis oba ye bone be ne why me Avraham kura de say shegelege movement Agyekum Francis oba ye abranti a wabo ni ti kama on pene ho asem o kira de kura eno ani Agyekum Francis wa prescribe ye draw why you was space say Afghanistan and the bullet yayara what Why you was space? As I said, you could jaw quine and Mayanka. I'm an akoto dem. What it? When him who to say Jabraja movement for buying. What it? When him at the side Jabraja movement for buying. What if you Agyekum Francis Yama? O Krano, when him will be Agyekum Francis Nimuna and come to me a back door, like I can say, Agyekum Francis. Oh, my information be a wrong. What the babet na social media. Jenny Abema Waba, or Chay Quaya Yam Fasundidi. Ah, Ediane Wudia, a bebo nipedia. Jenny Abema Agyekum Francis Awaba, or Chay Memma say, Ye Memman Yen Yusu, and when you are some Wakaya, a yammy de Agyekum Francis Casse, we a Bema or Bermano, Yusu. What? Some Agyekum Francis to me kaye. I have done Agyekum Francis can chichichelina. I want to say chichichelino. A bad boya yen few quenimo. Chichichelino tie. Chichichelino. A yomo moon few and crana muchachelino. Munyai. Oh, babe, correct you, Wunia. You don't correct your brother like you hate him already. Da. I had to say what bonato ho. And my war train. No mistake. Debbie. Oh dear. Mistake ba akona wo se waye no yagye ato waye one mistake me pa che wo and the videos bebrebe na waye no e de enti ne one man be react an kan kire Ghana for say me a medical student ampa video ya Agyekum Francis aye de eye no kore ada na wonye sa sister we nipa boni ni wate wanya de we showcase an attitude of enviness and jealousy. No crab akope. Sister, one yardie. Yanka se mo bien correct Agyekum Francis. Agyekum Francis. In the medical field, nobody is 100% perfect. In the medical field, Obia, Einstein, Munina Cranford challenge your theories. Einstein, Aristotle, Munina Crade, the theories by ya, and Crawford, a question on, and Crawford disagree. And Timbonibia nim. Name we a medical student. Ebia Agyekum Francis, I am mistake bia. And when me no Ghana for me damu nyina ase me din e de sister waje ne specia emia na hwene kakra me din no me pa cha me medical student na medical aboye nua ba me bia ye fa no Agyekum Francis medical abo na baso o church Ghana kwan ya mumfa sundidi ene lifestyle e be boa mo na monyini ache na mum me ba ya enra o ka sembi na mum obo chemical bi din na chemical no it is subject to scientific redresser. When we say scientific redresser, it is not only true say yes chemical no and it causes a problem no, but in the chemical field of botanical dimension no, you can decode the triazidine to form adrenazine. So it was adrenazine and when it say electric pole for ukwasiako. Kan fa ukwasi akwafa bebe kwasi ato why Jimmy asam
madam a Ghana for apomudin ehu hia opa yesre ojae na Yeboah Agyekum Francis onkuye ane Ghana for yesi jae na Yeboah Agyekum Francis onkuye mfra asase so wunnim we nyina ba oba ye wa mekire da wunnim we yo oba ye wa ma mekire obekuye no na omu nso a waje omu nkwanso e niyama na ohwe no menko akwa metimi ama evidence menko a ne Yeboah Agyekum Francis share menko metimi ama evidence se ne wo se ne wo ka no wo ho evidence yenso ne o kire na yen a ye di so no yenso ye wo ho evidence enti jaye ni wo nko ye ne yabusu apanyini o meje ada kesika bia mfiri wo why madam jaye na onko ye Uni unim na oba na abekire sebi oba obekire twene kote ni nyina ye di wati follow ye fa ne mani bi free wudi mu adanti na obi nso aba ono so kire ne ono nso nimu a madam ye mpesa am wonku ye
tomate sana na don ko nua na efe na MJ Rock se ho ahwan no the nice kotokoro no mo ho bebi ode akọ se ade no e start na se pese ye tu free ho a na mo aba na ma bobi joloso obi na ma bobi joloso obi hwababa wa wada hwe yi na hwe me 60 plus mene no hwan na kwa me mapa obenye bi a me joloso no but also wo kan okra kire no wo pede wo oba app so no obi aka no enye twa ne kwate e na aba sa wo kra sa wo ni twa e na wo ba ye sa wo kra wo twa ntimi anche Ghana ni ahwediem ni na ntimi kwa chen no e na okwase akeka we ade na wo kire no me kra me hu se wa ba life da Ghana ho no mo monitor account kwa wo nya hwe eti wan boy wo bi heba ayibia eti ade na o de Ghana fo sika Waya baba osanto enku a ase wapempe mapa na ase na asefo woni matutu se me de kwa de ba a obema wonku a de beye ombi heba school bia enso so hu yale ni ba ko na wo pie no ngwata asema wakaka afa de Ghana fo se mo hu se obi ampa obi ntoko obi ampa obi asem obete be ho akwa ye de be me mawo ukwa de ni ho kwa de be me mawo because the auto na we as obi asma say be attack boy no as obi asma what one mo wo na wo ye the doctors ni na wo wi asem obi I try a local everybody we know everybody is try a local ti wo try dem de ma yentie Agyekum Francis mo na abaye ka kamandoro fa wo chimi free ho no mo se unim edura wo na wo fi ayale fo two ko na kwasa wo mo yale na jai boy ni life ma no yadi mu de obeche say ye ne kura ye ni a ye be ne edi eni prefo wan ani bra de ese mu se wo hu Ghana for safe de mo hu Agyekum Francis oba ye na won kan obi antokwa no wonye obi ahwe no wo se o ma ba be kan no wo se wa ba be kan no hia
yanka bi shemu yete ya odwen ye hu meka se enye dia one day ojimi fo ba ko be sori atia Agyekum Yeboah Francis one day on say yenye obi me ka kire o sa me see here Avraham me ka kire wo tie Agyekum Francis no the way this time woman nipa ye discipline e wa ya brabo mu no ye bedi dia ye adwen ho ye num nsu a ye adwen ho ye koda ye adwen ho chese woman nipa a hwe ne husu ye to the sense and pray me sorry ye no enu aduru amaye ama me nom exercise medical ye no ni nyina fi Yeboah Agyekum Francis kwasia ba we ho ukọ ne platform so a enkwasia sebunku a ena twawe we ye mu bebon ena twawe wan hurumu yi a enso no onwale o one the last one year exercise enfifra ti no we ya no akọfu ka no akọdwuma jimi ni we wo sori atia Agyekum Yeboah Francis encheche be pa na ade amagana fo but say ye wo ya say obi asu ade eche wo na dwimu do che wo o cheche Ghana fo Yeboah Agyekum Francis on say one day ko oba life to say dem ko for oba life ya anka chedi ankofo be ne number kro bu so on fama me kwa me chef me busa ne number kro on fama me up to now ono on hesika o away it is what afifra no jimi o kwasesem no siase moja jimi wanya kwasesem na ho ye be ba so me duma edi be du no wa wi a be dwane afuku no ho aboa wo de se wo afifra Fabra Agyekum Yeboah Francis mina se wamenkofo aye discipline ankasa obi ko edidi a ohwe ni ebe jimi kura what woman so what jimi a o bodam some so jimi for na sabi omo follow no omo nim but now omo hu no bo omo be follow because o nkyere we sa jimi sam no ye pedidi ye hwe won so ye da ye ne etie ne de aboye bra akofo akwase asem se ye na udi ho na obi obedi kwase aba wanya jimi na de benki ono ho hwe chale ye ne abre odi jan kwase asem no na po be da fioko
hwe onim asem bia si a wa ho se wontimi discern wonni discernment of spirit a tinachire din make analysis na hwe neoma mimi gina we me nes na ebia mabeka asem bi na obi pese ebi o correct ade bi wo mu ana ebi o force asem na meme kan ye no manka no ensi ne kwan so nti o pese o correct a the approach fine obi o ha oni emotional intelligence enti no o kana asem bia bia ene ye wode ne ni hyedan so ade a omuade eno so ho ene ye wode truthfully no o pese o correct bibi ana se ebi o pese o twi nipa adwensi bibi so se ebi amenua o kan asem we na ha no enka wo ya achia entimi susu mi wo health sector edie mama nso mi fa we se nka ho na asem na o kan emedi mu ye hwe sa neema we se nyina enti Yeboah Agyekum Francis ensem na yakoso a okoka se ebi ankrofo bi enum nsuo bi nkakra ebi awo blood pressure o cheche neoma bi no ale ni so be fa o be kan direct is ho asem no Obinim direct is a idea a manipa ne jonso. A yin so free nipa ne body into hospital crampo. Obi a be and swaging and name water retention near the ade, and I say be a kidney patient near deno. Your protocol a tron. Your tron say, in so don't send on no ye, send or John Sawyer. Well, and I send na your man. All distance no tron because say now what you better on you na say be abosu nina. Your tron side and because your person who say, sensu ebia, senson ebia. 1 liter any demand na 1 liter ni nyina call ne body mu adwunso ni nyina so wa adwunso ni nyina na so adwunso half de aka na kwa kogina he enti all these things ni check enti this is a conversation and ka betimi end very well anko bia de na dwen beba nurse say o German de omo de beba America for de omo de beba Ghana for na akwa say ye debate na eko but let the approach to the issue no eniamo ho approach enya approach ye de correct obi and there is nobody abekọ that way so correct na obe taking in good faith na see Yeboah Agyekum Francis crowd o ya ade the way otimi be chire mu ebeka ni potassium ho nsam ni ade nyina no it means onya abotre so what you see o e chire mu kra ke kan so cramp no do any u sister ni ade o ke kan sansem ni nyina enti no the next approach no eno na si suppose led no oba se obesai guy no oba se obesai guy nti ma men kan kire wo wani na ho a onim no na me ka kire no there is approach for issues a obe un say e bia this issue we say the nipa na se mo pese o kire enu ni ye pese have a conversation bi ye pese ye kire say bia obi da se dro so a se no besi fa no nsuo obi e wo kidney disease a obi ensuo ginagina ne body mu e bia ensuo nenom no se na be ko ne ade won enka ya adusua kese but ono no de no ne approach o de baaye no na enye obeka so e bia nipa timi kasa otimi yemfum so what about the second one o se Yeboah Agyekum on hwehwe nkrofo apom de onemu nkrofo sika na o hwehwe eno na kire se okita agenda eno na kire se okita plan bi so obebrega na se enti se o wa ha na se o make the argument say bi o correct bibi and say bi o person draw attention to something enye no correct da wo honhoma de making obeti ase Uni hunhuma you may not understand, but make sure say udi oni hunhuma. We need the Holy Spirit. We need discernment of spirit. Just make the analysis. A confess to make it the first approach. And second one, the end of beja itum. Me also be a comment on the video. Na say, yes, ebi o heti guy no ebi a bibi no person correct because or no so medical field. And you no correct. It is not true. And ka second time, oh mama can say Yeboah Agyekum Francis. Ohia nkrofo sika na nyoma pom di no hia. Esa kan say ompo bia achew obi aka nasem wa be fa aka ena nipa no afele so ebi asem no wanka ne yie ena wa request say apologize to him because e kwa be fa so ne kasa ye no enye proper ena otimi nya akokudro say ompo bia achew eya na enim some of the effects of these things but later so what I say later people will understand. Intimida be make say same be can be making sure so jina the right side. Asem be abefa be handle especially on this platform making sure so jina there be enokre. Ujina there be enokre because asem ne betwa mu akọ. Ure be fi as time goes on because in sembeba. But a hu sunsun so na eba you not understand. Obi asem na afa kan. Obi a kire na semu. Wa be kan de atoso e no se ekwan fa so ne kasa e no hu se entwa yie enti ohia apology from you or de akokudro be ka sa on panicho e na kire se o wo menase po bi wo no ho wa hyehye bibi wo no ho o wa adwen bi fa no ho se o be say de oye no enti se oni mo na me ka kire no you people you may not understand when ye constructive conversation bia e na nya ade bia e be debate bia e na nya ade bia e be kire ne medical new memu bia a confa so buy no enye na agenda no na agenda say obe pull guy no down lady no na agenda say obe pull Yeboah Agyekum Francis down because obi person correct obi a enye say no ba no first approach second one Moshe say no be kasai we ye the correct obi there be or adwin bi say o person body a guy ne ye no e pansam no de hye nipa adwin mu say ade bi a guy ne kire bia no e dangerous e ye hu e betimi ase nipa brabo no an agenda. I'm telling you. Me didn't cool it in patcho. Share video we say. Yeboah Agyekum Francis. I feel that's so well. A bra. And your man quite him not domine dorson. Ne radi a piano. A town for a dorson who be brave. Say, who say entacrache a show. And I'm penny for to say, in nipa any as Sunday or share entacrache. I dare you name on Mount Bible. And also, me didn't cool it in patcho. Share this video. That's it.
kyerɛ wadwe ma me e wo comment section. Aha Penya Block Media Accra.